Good afternoon from Sapa, Vietnam. So right now I am at one of the tourist attraction in Sapa, and this one we call the Sapa Swings. It's actually the name of the place is Swings, but you also can enjoy a lot of adventures game like slide, rainbow slide, and taking photos in the statues and things like that over here. Okay, so let me show you a little bit about how much is a ticket. I'm gonna show you. Here we go. This is the entrance, located just right in the outskirts of Sapa town. And this is a ticket counter. So in order to buy the ticket, there are 3 different options in here. So if you simply buy the tickets with no games, it's only 80,000. With the games, all the games including 150, and you'll be given a bottle of water, things like that. Okay, let's walk inside. Let's see what does it have to offer. Follow me. This place is walkable, so if you want to save up on the transport, then you just simply walk here. Yeah, not too far away from town. So from Sapa town, Sapa Square, walk here 10 minutes if you're fast, 15 minutes if if you want to take photos along the way. Okay, look at the beautiful hands over there. Okay, this idea actually comes from like a Buddha doing meditation and things like that. Okay, here we go. So up here there will be a viewpoint. From here I can see the slide over there. So as I mentioned earlier, if you want to do the slide, there will be 150,000 for the entrance and also the adventures game. And the ghost house down there. I will just show you the place, and if you feel it's worth it to go, you can go. If you have like only 1 or 2 hours in Sapa and you have nothing to do, yeah, I think this will be a small thing you can do. Yeah, trust me, it's only the place that you take photos, and you probably see a lot of Vietnamese tourists on the weekends. There's some swings, so it's the name of the place, Swing. Gonna have a swing over here and pictures. Yeah, it's only the place that you take photos. Some kind of flowers, seasonal flowers over here. I don't know the name of the flowers, can you tell me? It looks like plastic. Oh yes, just like I said, they are all plastic. This is a panorama view of this area. So they have games like that to do. I've seen that on the video already. So I'm not sure that the tour guide also have a complimentary game like that. Let's check it out. Because I'm a local guide in Sapa, so every time I take tourists, I get the free entrance, so I don't have to pay for this kind of thing. That's the reason why I can make videos for you. Today I take 2 Indian tourists and taking photos over there. It is where they farm the doves and things like that. It looks very cute. It's written Sapa. Yeah. From the far we can see the school. So tourists will be walking on this one and take a photo with the background of this one. Okay, this one is huge. Okay, it's a couple or something. There we go, walking on this one. Actually I saw some fish underneath. Here we go, beautiful. Okay, this would be the background of the thumbnail. So to me, this tourism attraction is very suitable for young couples, yeah. Yeah, you don't need to get a tour guide for this one because it's you know, you can easily find this one on the map. and just go there by yourself and hang out here for as long as you can. This place is best to visit in the morning when the sun is not rising up, or the very late afternoon, because at that time is when you see the best view. Don't go in the middle of the day when the sun is too strong, because at that time you probably don't get the Instagram photos. You know what I mean? Now I'll be walking in here. Okay. Yeah, this is the best place to have a cup of coffee or tea. Wow. Okay, check this out. Every corner in here there will be a place that you can take photos. So if you are photo lovers, definitely don't skip this one in your itinerary for Sapa. Okay, this Doraemon doors. Yeah, just after the door is a different world. It's connecting to a different side of the world. And here we go. Beautiful, right? Very colorful street over here. As we're walking, on the side is a lake, and the other way is the beautiful flowers. But I mentioned earlier, that's the decoration. So let's go to the main part of the place. It is about the slide. So this is we call rainbow slide. It's located on the top of the hill, and Chris will be sitting in a wheel and slide down there. Right.
Ticket?
Yeah, to show the ticket, please. Right. That will be a lot of fun, because as you can see, that's a cho hai người trước thôi, cho hai người trước. So two of you first, okay? Yeah, I make a video for you. Okay, pretty easy peasy. Here we go. Okay, so just now I did the experiment because my tourists are very concerned about the safety, because they worry that this one might slide all the way down to the white area in here. So let's see. Right, I'll be sitting here and wait for my tourists. If you think this area is worth it with 150, you should go for it. Check it out. Okay. Okay. Oh, because you are heavier than me.
Full speed.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, so I just got it here. But you made all the way there. Okay. What about her?
No, she's not going.
Oh, really? So we have another game on the other side.
Okay.
Right, so here is the second game, and I reckon this is there are only two different games in here. So this one, I don't know how to call this. If you know, please drop a comment. And the guy said it is from the electric, so the power is electricity. Okay, so 150, all the games are included. I mean, two games included, the slide and this one. I don't know what's gonna be, because you know, I am the first time here, so today I have a tour with the itinerary of exploring this one, so I have a chance to make a video for you. Yeah, so actually this is pretty easy. There's one brake over here, and the engines, you just need to press in here, and it's more like yeah, the game, he said that we have like maximum 15 minutes driving around that area, around the lake, and when 15 minutes is gone, the game is also finished. Yeah, so more people, more fun. Okay.
This is brake.
Yeah.
Yeah, you test a little bit. Don't run too fast. Okay. He's now in the race. So even the local guide, when tech tour is here, also have complimentary games to play. So you can say that now a lot of tourists involved already. They seems very excited about the games. Check this out. Okay. Alright. So this located just not too far away from Sapa Center, guys. If you really want to enjoy the tour, leave me a comment below and I will give you the full itinerary for this one, okay? So I think the video is about to the end and hopefully you find the best thing in Sapa to experience. Okay, and if you are first time here, I am a local guide in Sapa and I want to, you know, show the Sapa, the stories from local people and also my story as a local guide in Sapa, guys. See more of my videos and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.